Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your menu items bigger on the Schedule 1 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Schedule 1 game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, if you wish to make all of your menu items bigger, then click on the settings option. From the settings page, go into the display page, which is at the very beginning, and now you will see the interface scale option. If you reduce this, then the window will become much smaller, and if you increase the scale, then you can make your window up to 140 times bigger. Once you apply your settings, you will need to click on confirm in order to save your changes, and now your windows will become much bigger and easier to see. You can come back to this menu at any point of time to switch it back to its original size or change the scale based on your desire. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to make your screen and menu items bigger on the Schedule 1 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.